Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to tonight's analysis session. Tonight is going to be a little brief. So we'll just go over gold and Usdjpy, as well as GJ. So in fact, let's start with GJ. For the past week, two Saturdays now where we've had this call. This trend line was not here. We had GJ in like an ascending channel, like it's been going up in this channel, and I said we should wait for a break and retest of this 4-hour trend line. You know that green is for 4 hours, right? So, and I also said it's going to be a little bit frustrating. So right now, what GJ is doing is it came outside that trend line, but I'm not convinced that it is, a break. It did retest and, gave a few pips here and there that can be scalped, but I still believe that based on this, right? So let me see. This new impulse move, I see here, we had this. So let's just say here, okay, and then I still believe price can move up. I mean, at most, if we move past this resistance area, break and retest, then we'll go over to this first take profit before even talking about the second take profit. So I'll wait for confirmation on GJ. Where's that bounce pattern so that I can show you what we had like last week. Yes, okay. This was what we had last week. This actually played out upward. So right now we just wait for price to retest this 4-hour zone at first, or if it's going to go down, we're going to have price. So let me remove this so that we can see a little bit clearer. That's why I had that trend line then. So if we have a break and retest of this 1-hour trend line, then we know that okay, it's be a confirmation for us to sell GJ. But right now, price is at a weekly level, so we are having consolidation. So I would wait for the confirmation of a buy and also the sell confirmation. So whichever one plays out first. But what I'm looking at from here is that I'll wait for this sell to finish actually. Because when price closed, once market opened, when market closed on Friday, we were, in a downtrend. So I will wait for this to finish playing out, probably push down to this level here before actually taking, that's this level here, before actually talking about any other move. Okay, so if we break and retest this, we go trading down. So right now we are in a consolidation. So we just have to wait for a confirmation before tending to a next move. Gold has been amazing. I've been waiting for a sell on this. It has been slipping away. But once we got to this support level here, this is a daily previous resistance level that price respected that is now support, we went up. So currently where we are with gold, price got to, on the 4-hour, we got an impulse move that was just completing and gave us a major structure point A to B. So now that's where I drew that fifth structure and we moved close to the 61.8, which is also like a 4-hour supply zone. So that's where we are with price. If price respects this 4-hour trend line by giving us more bearish confirmation, which it has already done actually on Friday. So yeah, so if price respects this trend line down, we keep going down. So at first I can see this structure that actually broke. If I have this minor structure like this, so I'll wait for a valid bearish momentum. I mean, this is already at 61.8. This closes and we have another series of candlestick variation around here. You can take a sell for this trade. So we'll just wait for extra confirmation. I mean, just extra one more confirmation. The minor structure here is already done. So this is like a major pullback here for gold. For gold, or let me just put a minor structural trend line. Okay, so a break and retest of this trend line will give us confirmation to enter. So that's it for gold. And then lastly, look at UJ. Which one did I? Okay. Okay. UJ. So UJ, I'm bullish on the dollar. Bullish on the dollar. So we had this impulse, by the way, one of my students caught this entire sell. I mean, analyzed this, and his analysis was spot on. So we had this entire leg down, and so price has finished diverging. The only thing is that we might see a pushback down to around this zone, but we are already, sorry, hold on, okay. So we're already respecting this zone already of, as support. Price already respecting that as support. So we also have this area of resistance here. So my bullish confirmation will be for price to actually break this zone to go up, or right now, if I actually see confirmation, I'll carry it up to that blue trend line over there. So same with gold. This already has its kind of has its confirmation. Okay, but we just wait for an extra confidence. So let me draw here. Thing is, we might just have price take out liquidity in this area before moving up, but all the way you can wait to see, or you can take this trade. This is not really solid because I can see some pullbacks around here, but I really want to see more confirmation on this before actually taking a buy on this. The initial buy from this divergence is done. So I'll need a more minor structure to form inside of this. I think when this forms, I don't want to think, but just wait for a break and retest of this trend line, but it has not finished forming. You get what I mean? So just wait for when price open. And that's it, guys. So tonight will be super brief. Those are the pairs that I'll go over. And also with BTC, let me just give you BTC a little. We had, price just shoot up. So we can expect this to, based on what we can see divergence here. We can see price creating lower lows. But also this is a type of channel formation. So we can see price, it's like a triangle, like a chart pattern. Okay, so we can see price creating higher lows, while up here we are creating lower highs. Okay, so we'll just wait for the break and retest. As much as price will come out, consolidate and get tinier and tinier. So we'll break and retest of the trend lines will confirm the direction. So yeah. So that's it, guys. Have a great trading week, and may peeps be with us. Bye.